How to download Pinterest app in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on the Search tab located at the bottom right corner and type in Pinterest. Select the Pinterest app from the search results to open its dedicated page. On the app's details page, simply tap on the Update button to begin downloading and installing the latest version. You can monitor the progress as the circle icon fills up, indicating the download status. Once the update is complete, the button will change to Open. Now, tap on Open to launch the updated application directly from the App Store and use its latest features. Following these steps, you can easily download the Pinterest app on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.